It is an absolutely beautiful day. It's like 80 degrees outside right now. Why are you wearing a sweatshirt? Aren't you hot?
No, I wear sweatshirts in the summer. It's my thing.
It's 2 o'clock on a Saturday, and we should probably get moving. But I think you need a new helmet. We are at Tractor Supply, which is a great place to find model horses. Someone has knocked over all the horses. I often find myself in stores straightening the shelves. I can't help it. All right, we finally made it to the horse aisle and just gotta find the helmets. And there they are on the bottom shelf. We got a whole bunch here. Here, try this one on. So much hair. It doesn't look it's fitting.
It doesn't feel any bigger.
That's a no-go for the helmets today. We're just gonna have to order one online. There's her helmet. Wait a minute. Is it fitting? Why does it look like it fits all of a sudden? So what does that mean? I don't need to buy a helmet, or I do need to buy a helmet? That wasn't really clear.
You don't need to buy a new helmet. This one's fine.
Alright, so what are you working on today?
I don't exactly have a plan today. We're just gonna ride and see what happens. I might look up some stuff. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna look up some stuff and try to do some like dressage stuff.
She is looking on the internet for a few ideas. Why don't you just start out with some pretty basic stuff, like some really simple dressage things, like beginner 101.
This is how to use your horse. How to use your hips to turn the horse. When you want your horse to turn, pull your weights up a bit in the saddle every time, slightly turning your hips in the direction you want the horse to go. Push straight with your hips in the direction that you want to go. The longer you practice this method with your horse, the more perceptive your horse will become to your movements and intended commands. Eventually, you will only have to pivot your hips ever so slightly for your horse to interpret the response you expect from it.
You got a plan. Go to your right. You're still coming towards me. Okay, there you go. Yay! Go to the left. Yay! Are you even using your reins? Did you figure this out already?
I'm not even using my reins. This is like really easy. Like really easy. I can't believe I never knew this before.
Is this no hands? Alright, be careful. Are you turning him? Can you get him to turn? I think she's doing it! Or not. Side note, horseback riding can be dangerous. Proceed with caution. Always have an instructor and make sure you are doing things within your skill level. It's raining and cold, which is not the best weather for our hair or riding. On rainy days, you still have to get out to the barn. The horses still need attention. Still gotta groom them and make sure everything is good to go. That rain is really coming down. So I guess you're just gonna have a pretty easy day today, Johnny. Little grooming, light walking, and that'll be it for you. These days are pretty chill. Just get to spend some time with my favorite boy, Johnny. sorry, I don't have any treats for you today. He's like, where are my carrots? Sorry, Johnny. Are you just playing with his tail?
Johnny's tail is so pretty. Just look at that.
Now that he's groomed, we're just gonna walk him up and down the aisle a few times so he can stretch his legs because he is spending so much time in his stall.
We are stronger, getting stronger every day.
Just some good old-fashioned one-on-one time with your horse. Well, since we have all of this extra time, we might as well clean some tack. We've been putting it off, but today is the perfect day, so let's do it. Johnny's bridle could use a good thorough cleaning, so we're using a little bit of mouthwash to clean the bit to try to work off some of the things that might have been built up over time. And a toothbrush works really well. We just can't find ours right now.
It's actually a good idea to wipe off your bit after you use it. I don't always do it, but it's still a good idea. I should probably start doing it. So you don't get a lot of buildup on the bit, and your horse can always have a fresh, clean bit. Then you got to clean and condition the leather. We use Neat's Foot Lexol. I actually do need a new helmet. This one is too small. So I guess we're going helmet shopping.
Getting stronger every day.
Glad to be back home where it is nice and warm. Did you find anything in that magazine?
I found a few helmets.
Safety is priceless. Well, they found a way to put a price tag on it. We're going to be shopping around for that helmet. Thank you for joining us for another Fabsome Horses.
Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Make sure to follow us on Instagram at my Fergus Stuff and the Frog Blog.
And we will see you next time. Bye!